Ram 1500 TRX 2026. Welcome to Drive Pro, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, industry news, and all things automotive. If you're passionate about powerful trucks and high-performance vehicles, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX, the undisputed king of high-performance off-road trucks. If you thought the previous TRX was a beast, get ready, because Ram has taken things to a whole new level. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX continues its legacy as an off-road powerhouse, but with a fresh design and even more insane performance. The exterior remains bold and aggressive, featuring a wider stance, muscular fenders, and an updated LED lighting system. The massive front grille still wears the TRX badge proudly, letting everyone know this truck means business. One of the biggest changes for 2026 is the lighter yet stronger frame, built with advanced materials to improve durability and performance. The functional hood scoop remains, helping to cool the engine while adding to the truck's mean look. Ram has also introduced new wheel options and an upgraded adaptive suspension system, making it even more capable on rough terrain. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends rugged toughness with premium luxury. The 2026 TRX features a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen running the latest Uconnect infotainment system. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, this truck is just as comfortable on the inside as it is powerful on the outside. The driver's cockpit includes a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, offering customizable displays for off-road performance data, navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. High-quality leather and suede trim seats come standard, with the option for heated and ventilated front and rear seats for ultimate comfort. Now let's talk about what makes the TRX a true monster: the engine. Under the hood, Ram has introduced a new supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 720-plus horsepower and over 650 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this truck is still all about raw power and high-speed off-road dominance. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a high-performance 4WD system, the TRX delivers blistering acceleration, going from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. For off-road enthusiasts, the 2026 TRX is packed with advanced terrain management features. The Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive dampers return, offering superior suspension control whether you're crawling over rocks or flying over desert dunes. The wider track, reinforced skid plates, and 35-inch all-terrain tires ensure you can tackle any obstacle with confidence. Ram has also introduced new drive modes, including an updated Baja mode that optimizes throttle response, suspension damping, and transmission shifts for high-speed desert running. And for those who love customization, the 2026 TRX now offers even more performance upgrades straight from the factory. When it comes to towing and payload, the TRX continues to impress. With a towing capacity of up to 8,500 bells and a reinforced bed featuring integrated LED lighting and a power tailgate, this truck is ready for both work and play. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 TRX comes with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new 360-degree off-road camera system. Whether you're on the highway or deep in the wilderness, Ram has ensured that safety and technology work hand in hand. Now, let's talk about pricing. While official figures haven't been announced yet, industry experts predict the base model will start around $95,000, with higher trims and special editions pushing beyond $110,000. Given the performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology packed into this truck, it's worth every penny for those who crave power and off-road dominance. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX isn't just a truck, it's a statement. With insane horsepower, rugged off-road capabilities, and a tech-packed interior, it continues to be the ultimate performance truck. Whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising through the city, the TRX is built to dominate. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX. What do you think of the new upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Pro for more high-performance truck reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.